This is a 2021 Harley Davidson RoadGlide Special. The color of this RoadGlide Special is vivid black with a black factory finish, which basically means that it's been blacked out from the factory. All the hardware, exhaust, front end, wheels, handlebars, controls are all black from the factory. This bike is in excellent condition. It has 1,602 original miles on the odometer. And the factory warranty is in effect until August of 23. Just an absolutely beautiful RoadGlide Special. Being the Special, it comes equipped with the 114 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8 engine. So you have plenty of horsepower and torque, 6-speed transmission. So not only can you go cruise the highway cross country, you can use this as a great boulevard bike. This bike has a lot of power, a lot of pep. This is one of my favorite Harley Davidson models. Also, being the Special, it has the painted inner fairing, the sport windshield, the GTS Boom info center, color touchscreen, AM, FM, weather band, GPS navigation. You can Bluetooth your tunes into this bike, or in this compartment right here, there's a plug-in that'll not only charge it but integrate it into the system, and then you can control it with the touch screen or the hand controls. It has cruise control, ABS brakes. For 21, they redesigned the tank and the tank dash. Now you don't have that huge big round fuel door. You have one gas cap on the side and a really sleek looking dash on it. Also, being the Special, it has the extended bags, the wrap around the tailpipes. Now this bike is stock. Nothing has been done to it except the big whip antenna has been replaced with a shorty antenna, which is a great idea. Keep you from getting slapped in the face every time you walk around the bike. This bike has a fresh service, so it is ready to go. Nice mustache bar engine guard instead of the big bulky one that comes up really, really tall. Just an absolutely stunning bike. Being the RoadGlide Special, it has the fixed fairing, so this bike really cuts through the wind really, really well. It's not mounted to the front forks, so you don't get any input into your hands from any wind or being stuck behind a semi or trying to go around a semi. Big LED dual headlights. This bike is very nimble, which is characteristic of all the RoadGlides. If you're in the market for a new RoadGlide, take a real good look at this 21 RoadGlide Special. Super low miles, showroom condition. This bike is ready for the road. Now don't get stuck paying MSRP or more, and the dock fees and the setup fees and the freight fees, and before you know it you've got $2,000 worth of fees and you haven't figured out what happened yet. Our prices are out the door. For information on how to put this beautiful RoadGlide Special in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.